hard data is, a lot of people talk about more from a duration, right? Like, hey, this data is generated like in the last 1 second, 1 minute, or 10 minutes, and it's hard, and you need to analyze it, right? And the core data is, it can sit around, you can look at it later on. It's not very important, right? I like to do it more from a point of importance. Which data is actually important? It's not the time duration, because we are capturing the data at the right time. It's just that you need to proactively decide which one you need to analyze right now versus later. So this is how I would define to an executive is like hard data is something that you have to pretty much analyze like now the first hour or so, because it's very important. So for example, in the IT infrastructure, the data that you look at is like metrics. You look at server metrics, you look at latencies, you look at network speed. If the servers are very slow, like that is the most important thing. It is like there's a problem there. If it's taking me like a day or a half a day to analyze the data, it's a waste of time, because the damage has already happened, the applications are down, the hacker is already in, right? So a lot of times executives, they get very comfortable with like, oh, we're capturing all this data, right? Hey, we have this terabytes of data that we're capturing. Some problem happened, we can always go analyze it, right? But I think we need to move from that reactive, like, hey, like if I gather all this data, eventually I can find the problem, towards more like, hey, I want my applications to keep working. I don't want any hacks to happen. Like the cost of failure is very, very high. Like if your applications are down, you're losing like millions and billions. On the cyber side, even a small hack can really, almost kill your company, and get fines and things like that. That is the best way to talk to a CFO is really that what is the cost of not analyzing the right data at the right time.